one in the other lecture just now, so I have to record. Okay, don't make me scold you. That is recorded. Example 5. Bundles of spinach. Let's use green color. You have mean 150, standard deviation 10. Kangkong, kangkong also green color, but never mind. 180 and 50. Now, you are supposed to find the average. Have attention, please. A bit too much talking. You want to find the average weight of 5 bundles is less than 160. But before that, let us try and define this one first. You must really, I printed this for you, but I think this line is important. For every question, you better define your random variable. Okay? Important to define random variables. Okay, please define. Okay, in your tutorial, don't tell me, don't tell your teacher, your tutor, I didn't define. Mr. Wu didn't teach me how to define. Okay? Alright, but important to define. S is the weight of one bundle of spinach. K is the weight of another bundle of kangkong. So this is given. No problem. You want to find the probability that the average weight of 5 bundles is less than 160. So I let another random variable, V, be the average weight. So actually you want to find probability V. You want to find probability V less than 160. But what is V in terms of S and K? What is V in terms of S and K? You have 5 bundles, right? Does it make sense that V is actually first bundle of kangkong, spinach plus second bundle plus third bundle plus 1 bundle of kangkong, second bundle of kangkong, whole thing divided by 5. Correct? Yes? Does it make sense? Because you have an average weight of 5. So you have 5 bundles divided by 5. If I can find the distribution of V, my job is done. I just enter into my calculator, I'm done. What is the distribution of V? First, I need to find mean. Next, I need to find variance. How to find mean? If you are fast, you can actually write down instead of talking and talking. If you are fast, you just write down. Go ahead on me and then you carry on and write. Alright? You recall. Oh, goodness. Recall expected value of AX plus BY equals to A expected value of X plus B expected value of Y. So we apply it here. I think you should be able to get this. You should get 1 over 5 expected value of S1 plus expected value of S2 plus expected value of S3 plus expected value of K1, K2, and then close bracket. Correct? Yes? You just make use of this idea you apply here. Now, what is expected value of S1, expected value of S2, expected value of S3? They are all expected value of X. They are the same thing. Then this is 1/5, 3 expected value of X plus 2 expected value of K. Now, if you are fast enough, I think you can jump from here to here if you can. Okay, if you want to jump from here to here, I think I won't fault you, you can jump from here to here. But you must know what you are doing. Okay, you can jump, no problem. Then you put in the values, you get 160. All okay? Not difficult, right? Alright. Next, we have found the expected value, mean. I need to find variance. Can we apply the same thing? Can we do the same thing, but we recall this result? What, Hari Raya? Raya not here yet lah, not so fast ah. Variance of ax plus by is a square variance x plus b square variance y. So now this is for 2 independent events. Now we have 5 variables. So I think all I need to say is you must not forget your square. So it's 1 over 5 square variance of S1 plus variance of S2 plus variance of S3 plus copy, don't talk. Now, from here, what is variance of S? What is variance of S2? What is variance of S3? You will sum it. These are 3 variances. Now, once you get that, you know mean, you know variance, you should be able to calculate the probability by GC, and then you get answer. Now, before I review the answer, some of us are faster, you can actually go calculate the calculator, GC and calculate the value. But I just want to say this. Now, I give you solution, very easy. You think, hey, actually quite easy, Have attention, please. But some of us may, I'm saying may look at this and see average weight. Average, right? You say, oh, average means mean, no? Means what? That means K bar plus S bar divided by 2. This is obviously wrong. You see average bar, then I put average. K bar is K1 plus K2 divided by 2. S bar is S1 plus S2 plus S3 divided by 3. Then I take these two average again. Wrong, man. You realize that this is wrong. Numerically it's wrong. Because we want average of 5. So the denominator must be 5. Denominator cannot be 2. You follow what I'm saying? Oh, wrong, this is wrong. So now I give a solution, I think it's very simple, but tempting thing to do is to say average. Average one sample, we know, then it's not wrong. Okay? Okay? So, part 1 done. Answer 0.358. Again, don't forget. This is the variance, not standard deviation. So when you key in your GC, you must key in square root 30. Got it? When you key in your GC, you must key in square root 30. Alright. This is a pretty long example. I think we should take a break. Alright. Screen. Part 2. The question says, now, the average weight of V, and this time we can talk about the S bar, is less than the average weight of 2 kangkong bar. Now we can talk about the K bar. But we will make use of k bar and s bar. Am I right? Yes. This time we cannot define k bar and s bar. By more than 20 grams, you may think of too hard. But let's just frame this first before we define the random variables. That means this. The average weight of 3 is what I call S bar. The average weight of 2 kangkong is K bar. You want this, you want S bar to be lesser than K bar, which means you want, does it make sense? That means you want K bar minus S bar to be positive lah, because you want S to be smaller ma. Does it make sense? You want S to be smaller. But how much smaller? You want the difference to be more than 20. That means K bar minus S bar, you want it to be more than 20. Now, when you think of this question, you write this guy down first. You want to find probability this. You write this down first, then you solve the question. You follow what I'm saying? You don't try to whack the question first. Just think carefully. Let's define K bar as like you want probability K bar less than S bar greater. Then we think how to solve. If K bar is a normal distribution, S bar is a normal distribution, K bar minus S bar is another normal distribution. So let's see. So, define it. S bar is S1 plus S2 plus S3 over 3. K is K1 plus K2 over 2. What is S bar? S bar must be a normal. Now, K bar must be a normal. What is the mean and what is the variance? We have to recall earlier, right? The mean must be the same. It must be 150. Just like this one. If this is S bar, the mean should be the same. But the variance is different. Correct? The variance is different. The variance must be 10 square divided by 3. This one must be 180. This one must be 15 square divided by 2. Oh, let's take note. You must divide by 3. You must divide. From here to here, I think you have learned it in normal distribution. Okay? Alright? So, the mean of normal minus normal is 180 minus 150. This is this minus this. What about the variance? Do you minus? Do you minus? No, you plus. You will get 15 square over 2 plus 10 square over 3. Can we take note here? Not minus. Alright? Okay, now I want you all to do this on your own. Try. Get some number, you get some value. Probability S bar minus K bar minus S bar greater than 20. Do it. Alright, 0.796 is the answer. Press a calculator, I don't think it's difficult. Okay, let's take a look at the last part. Let's look at the question. Now, spinach costs 30 cents per 100 grams, and kangkong costs 35 cents per 100 gram. Find the probability that the total cost exceeds 217 now. Ooh, you may think it's so difficult, huh? Never mind, let's take a look. Now, total cost. Now, if I can express the total cost, which is C, you want to actually find probably, you want to find probability C greater than 2.7, right? You actually want to find this. Want to find. Right? You want to find. Right, want to find. Okay? You want to find this. Now, pay attention please. Thanks. If I can express C in terms of other variables, that means your K lah, your K bar, whatever, then my job is done. Follow? Now what is C? Then again, it's so difficult. I total one bundle consists of 3 kangkong, 2 spinach, etc. So, never mind, let's try. And then, your cost is 30 cents per 100 gram. But in your definition, your S here is in grams. So it can be a little bit confusing for some of us. But never mind, let's try and work it out. If you have a 50 grams spinach, let's say S equals to, what's going on? Sorry. If S is 50 grams, what do you think is the cost of 50 grams of spinach? In dollars. You want to look up 0.15, right? 0.15. So how do you get 0.15 from 50? You take 50 divided by 100 times 0.3. I say one more time. The cost of 50 grams of spinach is 50 divided by 100 times 0.3. So, the cost of this is S divided by 100 times 0.3. This is the cost of one bundle of spinach. So, 5 bundles here. Now you want 5 bundles, 5 bundles. Cost of 5 bundles with 3 spinaches and 2 kangkongs. The cost must be equals to 0.3 over 100 times S1 plus S2 plus S3. This is the total cost of 3 spinaches. In dollars, of course. This is in dollars, plus zero because it costs 35 cents for kangkong, K1 plus K2. This is the most important part to solving this question. Am I right? If you are able to express C in terms of S and K, I think the rest is simple. Alright, the rest is simple. You just need to say this. Therefore, this is 0.3 over 100. Now, expected value of C is expected value of S1 plus expected value of S2 plus expected value of S3 plus 0.35 Now, you can actually, if you without writing this, you can jump from straight from here to here, if you can. I think it's not too difficult. You can write this immediately. I think I can accept it. But some of us may want to write this. Is that right? 10? Sounds right. Then after that is just calculation, you get 2.61. Can you have attention, please? But for variance, I would really suggest that for variance, you must be a bit more careful. I suggest you still write this out. Yes? Alright? You still write this out. What is the variance of C? Variance of C. Let's look above. No need to see. Okay, cannot see. Variance of C is 0.3 over 100 square. Please remember the square. Alright? Remember the square. Variance of S1 plus variance of S2 plus variance of S3 plus 0.35 over 100 square. Variance of K1 plus variance of K2. Let us not forget the square, because there's a square here. Alright? Then you can do the normal thing and then get here. And then you can press your calculator and you get answer. Okay, not difficult. You should be able to answer. Okay, call somebody out. Let's have the fun. Better press calculator now. Ready? I want this answer. Probability C greater than 2.7. Three, 2, 1, go. Christopher. I don't think you will never get it. You will see if there's a chance. Go answer? Very good. 0.160. Well done. All right. Example 6. Example 6. Let me stop this.